Federal Executive Council don't approve new airport for Yobe State with 6.2 billion naira. The Federal Executive Council don't approve the construction of new airport for Yobe State where go help the country enhance connectivity and security matter for the northeast region. The name of the airport will be Washaka Airport go cost 6.2 billion naira. The Minister for Aviation, Hadi Sirika, will announce this one during press briefing with Tori people after the meeting of the council where Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari tanda gidigba for front. Say 4 memorandum where the aim na to lift our nation aviation sector. He talk say this initiative go also help our safety, security and ogbonge service delivery. He talk say the airport where they won't build so go tanda near Guru for Yobe State.
Federal Executive Council in its wisdom had allowed this to proceed, and many more are coming in the pipeline, and this will generally answer the question as to the growth and development of civil aviation, and also to show our preparedness for emergencies and military operation and other security agencies.
Oga Minister talks say them don't also approve 297 million where them go use as consulting service where concern the project, while them go use 9.5 billion naira to supply and maintain the firefighting vehicles for this our nation airport. Minister talk say them don't give them power to take award contract where them go take deploy Sinafa Dust Canoe for Abuja and Lagos Airport and go cost 658.7 million naira.
These dogs, they will be doing, among other things, detection of bomb, detection of drugs, currency, prohibited items, explosives, etc., etc. Already, in accordance with the Act establishing fund, the President has approved long ago that the aviation security would bear arms and get ready for emergencies in the airport.
The Federal Executive Council also approved 187.4 million naira to take buy operational vehicle for the Federal Road Safety Corps.
And that is to reduce carnage on our roads and to meet its goals of reducing accidents by at least 15% and fatalities by 20%.
Then don't also grant to the Nigerian extractive industries approval to take buy ogbonge building when them go use as their permanent head office, and it go cost 536 million naira. This night the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV Karen come give una from Abuja. My name na Ehirema Ihirin, reporting from Abuja.